2013 Fiat 500 had a cylinder 3 misfire come in today, and guess what we found? So we swapped plugs, swapped coils, swapped injectors. Cylinder 3 stayed misfiring. Went ahead and checked out the cylinder with the borescope in the spark plug tube well there, and found absolutely nothing. No bent valves, no broken valves. So I said, all right, let's take a peek at the camshaft, seeing that it's a multi-air system. And guess what we found? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that right there is a cracked cam lobe. As you notice, these cam lobes line up perfectly with the roller rockers on the multi-air, except for cylinder 3. So that's a spun lobe, and it is not opening that valve to do anything. So, recommend a camshaft.